In the modern jewellery making world, precision is what sets a business apart, and a professional laser engraving machine can transform the way that you work, opening the door to cleaner finishes, faster turnaround and personalised pieces that truly stand out. This is the Orotig Canova 50, a compact high-performance laser engraver designed specifically for jewellers who want exceptional results without the complexity. The Canova 50 arrives complete with a desktop PC and Orotig's Marco software already installed, so you're ready to begin the moment it's set up. Creating a new project is simple. Just select the button Start New Project. Whether you're engraving flat pieces, pendants, tags, or the inside of a ring, the software lets you choose instantly, perfect for jewellers who need that flexibility. Type your message, select your font, adjust the size, spacing and positioning, all with guided visual tools designed for accuracy. For the text, Marco gives you the option to work in straight lines or perfectly curved layouts, ideal for charms or circular pendants. Before engraving, the Canova 50 finds its focal point using the Touch Pro tool to measure the height of the metal piece. Simply plug it in, press the button on the Touch Pro to make the mark and the machine will then lower. You can also manually focus using intersecting red laser markers, giving you complete control. The dual camera system gives you a clear, real-time view inside the machine with the option to zoom in for intricate alignment. Then choose whether you want to engrave or cut. The Canova 50 can cut simple shapes in silver and gold, ideal for custom charms or pendants. Orotig's engineering expertise, refined over 30 years, ensures every step is smooth, safe and reliable. Select your preferred engraving style. In this example, we're choosing the inside option. If you leave it on outline, it will only engrave around the edges. Don't forget to adjust the settings if needed. Increasing the loop number here will create a deeper cut, so you can fine-tune the depth to suit your design. And finally, the cleaning number controls the finish. 0 gives you a darker blackened look, while the other delivers a clean white result. A dual-arm dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean, and with the power consumption of just 300 watts, it's one of the most energy-efficient engravers available. The dual camera system ensures what you see on screen is exactly what will be engraved. With speeds of up to 8 meters per second and a marking area up to 145 by 145 millimeters, it comfortably handles engraving inside and outside surfaces. All of this sits within one compact machine, and the Canova 50 allows safe operation with the lid closed. No protective eyewear needed. The built-in sensors ensure the laser simply cannot fire when the lid is open. Once the laser has finished, simply open the lid, lift out your design and check everything is engraved as expected. The Canova Orotig machine can also engrave onto shaped or pre-made metal designs. Just follow the same process. Use the Touch Pro to find the correct focus level, preview your design and move it into position, then adjust the on-screen dimensions so it fits perfectly. Close the lid, press start and watch as the laser completes the engraving in just seconds. Marco also includes presets for all your common jewellery metals: gold, silver, platinum, stainless steel, copper, brass and more. You can rely on professional settings or customise them to suit your needs. If you'd like to see the Canova 50 in action for yourself, Cooksongold offer free online and in-store demonstrations. Book yours today and discover how laser engraving can transform your jewellery business.